kids, and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is traffic lights. When we travel, we are on either motorbike, car, truck, bus, whatever. All the vehicles on the road have to follow the traffic rules. There is a traffic light which gives every vehicle a signal. For example, there is a red light which says stop, right? There is a yellow light which says that you get ready, you're about to go. And there is green light which gives you a green signal to go. Traffic lights helps to manage the vehicles on road. They are very, very important to manage the traffic on roads. Today, through a rhymes, we'll understand the significance of each light in the traffic light. We have three lights. Let's begin with the light on the top, which is red. Let's sing along with me. Where is the red light? Where is the red light? Here I am. Here I am. Tell me what you say, sir. Tell me what you say, sir. I say stop. I say stop. So it says to stop. And children, it's very important to follow these rules on road. Now, the next light in the traffic light is at the center. Which light? Yellow. Where is the yellow light? Where is the yellow light? Here I am. Here I am. I am in the center. Tell us what you say, sir. Tell us what you say, sir. I say wait. I say wait. So it says to wait. You are allowed. You're about to go. So wait for few seconds. Now the next light in the traffic light is green light. Where is the green light? Where is the green light? Here I am. Here I am. I am at the bottom. Tell us what you say, sir. Tell us what you say, sir. I say go. I say go. So the green light says that now the vehicles can move ahead. They need not to wait further. So it is a green signal. Now sing along with me. Red says stop. Yellow says wait. Green says go. Green says go. These are the traffic signals. These are the traffic signals that we know. So children, this is about the traffic signals, and it's very important. If you're traveling with your parents also and they are not following it, then aware them that following the traffic light is very important to avoid accidents on road. I hope you understood it well. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.